Here's something I want to tell you. When we get messages and they're coming in from our higher self don't tell us how. It don't say step 1, step 2, step 3. It don't say that. You said you got the message that you're supposed to minister, you're supposed to be this teacher, and you're supposed to do these things in the community, and yet you're telling me, but you don't know how you're going to get this crowd. Who said it had to be a crowd?
Well, I saw the word flock. I saw the word minister and the word flock.
That word flock came from your mind. That's not your higher self. Your higher self would not tell you to get a flock. Your higher self is...
My revelation, I saw the word flock.
I don't care what you saw, that came from your mind. And that... Hold on, because if you have the answer, then we don't need to continue. Now, you may be translating. See, what's happening is you're getting a clear message and you're screwing it up because your ego is coming in and you are putting all these other stipulations there. If you got the message that, look, you're a teacher, you're going to be sharing a message, you're going to be working with people in your community, then I don't understand what the rush is. What's the rush? Why do we need to know what's going to happen today? What's going to happen tomorrow? Either we're going to trust what we're getting, and we know it is coming from our higher self, because your higher self is not going to tell you that you are going to have a flock of people, because your higher self doesn't care about that. It only cares about the action of the soul and the service. It doesn't care about outcomes. And anytime you get caught up into the fanfare, you know that your mind has interrupted the process. Now, you don't have to believe anything that I say. You don't have to listen to it. You have your free will. You can take it. You can toss it out the window. Do what you want. But I promise you, your mind, your higher self is not telling you you're going to have a whole bunch of people in a flock, and all of this is the mind speaking. The soul, the higher self, the divine, the mastery in you does not even get attached on that level. Any great master, and you can speak to your great master, and you can ask them that even if you have one person who get it, that is worth 1,000 who are sitting idle with nothing. This is what our world has been striving for, to get flocks of people to follow and just move along like sheep and like herd and just do what someone else said. And as you're working on your self-mastery, so is the whole world. So I say to you, trust the process. You've come this far. You're doing all of this beautiful work. You said whatever you need, money, it is showing up for you. So guess what? Then how could the rest be wrong? Why are we worried about how we're going to get a flock of people? Why? Where would that thought even come from? If you've already been told that you're going to be teaching, if you've already been told that you're going to be servicing people, why are you worried about a flock?
Well, okay, the reason being is because my finger landed on that word.
I don't care if your whole body landed on that word. That came from your mind.
Okay, yeah.
Trust the process. You're in a beautiful space. Just trust it. You're in a good space. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up by trying to chase something that doesn't need to be chased. Listen. Sit in silence. Listen. Wait till you get orders to move. You didn't get no orders. You said that you've been doing your divination and it's been leading you and guiding you. And now all of a sudden you've come to a bump in the road and you're trying to force it. Trust the process.